Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download webinar follow-up templates from Demio, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To download webinar follow-up templates from Demio, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Demio website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your Demio account using your credentials. After logging in, access the dashboard, where you will see various options related to your webinars. Locate the Webinars section in the navigation menu. Click on it to view a list of your scheduled and past webinars. Select the webinar for which you want to download follow-up templates. On the Webinar Details page, look for the Follow-up tab. Click on the Follow-up tab to access the follow-up options. Here, you will find various templates available for your use. Review the templates to find one that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, look for a download button or link. Click the download button to save the template to your device. Ensure you note the location where the file is saved for easy access later. After the download is complete, open the file to review its content. You can now customize the template as needed for your specific audience. This concludes the process for downloading webinar follow-up templates from Demio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.